Getting free violin lessons is simple. Follow this exact method. Violin Mastery Online for Beginner program comes from a 30-plus year teaching experience violin teacher with 100% examination passing rate. Taught in public and private schools across Singapore, Brunei, and Australia, delivered extensive one-to-one private coaching, classes, and held concertmaster positions in different orchestras across these countries. This program is offered as a gift to the community. It is designed for all ages, children, adults, and retirees. Visit the website, follow the instructions to receive a free beginner guide, and for a limited time prior to launch, a free accessory gift is available when you sign up for the program, while supplies last. Follow these 3 instructions to begin. Step 1. Visit violinmasteryonline.com. Step 2. Submit your name and email address. Step 3. Check the provided email for a confirmation message and wait for your free beginner's guide shortly. You can enroll on the program from there. The journey to playing the violin begins from now. Visit the website to secure access.